Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some wonderfully exciting items to share with you today. Now, if you've already seen the Snowglobe to Stamp and Die set, you are definitely going to want to get these items as well. There are 3 items, so if you're in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, you're getting these, or you already have these, right? Now, add-on sets are these adorable little guys. So you have a little rocking horse, you have a little reindeer, the little gingerbread girl and boy, lots more snowflakes, happy winter, and a little nativity scene. Okay, it's like a little shadow of a nativity scene. Now, of course, there's dies that match. And so here you have the snowflakes, the reindeer, the girl, the boy, the rocking horse, the little nativity, and an angel die. Now, I was worried you might lose an angel die, and I had room, so I gave you an extra angel die, okay? That's only just because I thought, ooh, I have room, and what if they lose it? I might as well send them another one. So you got like a freebie in there. And this has a lot of dies in it. It's awesome. And look at those fun stamps. Now, that's 2 items, but the other item, dun, 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 looks like nothing. It really kind of does look like nothing, I understand. But what does it do? It turns your snow globe into a shaker. And it even gives you, so it gives you a stitched top, it gives you the die for the acetate, the window, and then it gives you a whole bunch of options for confetti if you want to make your own confetti. There's flowers, hearts, stars, and dots, so you can make your own confetti, or you could use fun beads like this one. Now, I'm going to show you the awesome samples I have, and then I'm actually going to demo and show you how to make it a shaker card, so you'll know how to make it, okay? So here's one fun example, and let's see, I have lots to share with you. Here's a cute one with the little snowflakes in there, and this is a step card with the cute little guys in there. Let's see if I can find another one. Oh, let's see. Okay, here's one with a cute little snowman and those big snowflakes. Oh, you could make it a baby one if you want to, with that cute little rocking horse. That's so cute. Here's one cute one with the little reindeer and the cute trees. Here's one with the trees, and you can see how fun that is. Let's see. Oh, here's a Halloween one. You don't even have to do any of the normal holidays. You could do a Halloween one. Oh, here's a cute one with that little gingerbread house. Look how fun those shakers are. Now, I prefer to do like, oh, this one actually did. Good for them. Who did this one? Good job, Catherine. This one does use some of the confetti, but also some extra added glitter or little sequins. Oh, this one is a sneak peek. This is a sneak peek, but I wanted you to see the gingerbread guys. Look at those cute little gingerbread guys, and I can't show you the sneak peek because that would be a sneak peek, right? Whoa, I know, I gotta put that one in a special spot. Okay, now, if you don't want to use these guys for a snow globe, you don't have to. Look at that. Or look at this. Look how cute those little guys are. You can use them separately. They do not need to be in a snow globe. So they're really fun. Oh, look how cute it is on the slim line. So fun. Here's a cute one. All of them lined up and ready for Christmas. Oh, here's a nice one. A piece one. Isn't that gorgeous? The piece came from the fireplace die set. And then this one's really, really fun. Look at all of the guys together. This is the whole enchilada, all of them together. So cute and so fun. I love them. Now, let me show you how easy it really is to make these shaker cards. With all the dies that you're getting, you're going to be able to make them very, very easily. So what you're going to need is you're going to need those dies that I showed you, these dies right here, the snow globe dies as well, and you're going to need adhesive foam that we sell on our website and adhesive sheets that we have on our website, okay? So what I've already done, just to make it a little faster, is I've already die cut with the largest die, the back to my snow globe. I've also die cut this little piece down here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fun stitched die. So this is what it looks like. It's this one actually. So I've already die cut it once in blue. That's going to be my cover. Now I need to die cut this one out of the foam. So I'm going to take the adhesive foam. It has adhesive on both sides. I'm going to run it through my machine. Now you will notice that because we're putting 1,000 pounds of pressure through this machine that foam is gonna kind of deflate a little, right? But don't worry, it will pop back up. It'll kind of like go, it's like a sponge. You squish it and then you let go and it'll go back to normal, right? So this, give it time and it will. If it's still not tall enough for you, you can definitely double this up and do 2. Now, this piece here, you are not throwing it away. You're gonna use this for foam squares. You do not throw any of this adhesive foam away because all of these little pieces are foam squares for popping up things, okay? So you save every ounce of this. So now I have this easy peasy little frame. Then from this die, the other die in the shaker kit, it is just for the window. So I'm gonna take some acetate, and I have found, I will be honest with you, I have found that if I use a piece of scratch paper underneath, it is so much better. And I'm looking for a piece of scratch paper. It cuts so much better. So I'm just gonna grab a piece of scratch paper and I'm gonna run that through. So I'm running that through. I'm gonna move that up so I don't waste any of my acetate. And I'm gonna run that through just like that. Oh, and in fact, you know what, guys? I forgot I did this. I was worried you were gonna get confused on what this die was. On the back, and I'm so proud of myself for remembering to do this, it says clear window. Hey, I might forget too. So now I go, oh yeah, this is the clear window. Phew, I'm glad Stephanie did that because you never know, you might forget. And there you go, clear window, okay? So now you don't have to worry like, oh gosh, I don't remember which one this is. Okay, so we're gonna run that through. Now you'll hear a lot of crunch because that is actually going through the acetate, but I like to do it with the cardstock underneath because then you'll get a clean cut. So now I have my clear window. Look at that. Isn't that, it's like magical, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our little, oh, we need some confetti. So let's get some confetti together, and I am going to use some of the flowers because you know me, I love flowers. And we're just gonna grab some, oh my goodness gracious, we're gonna grab some, oh look, I have scraps. I'm gonna use some of my foil paper, gorgeous. Now I'm totally doing random colors and all of that. I'm just here to show you how easy this is to make, okay? I'm not gonna win any design awards for this one. Okay, not that I've ever won any design awards, that sounded funny. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke those guys out, and I have all these cute little fun flowers. Now I'm gonna make sure they're all right side up because that's kind of important, right? So look how cute they are. Look how cute. Look how cute. Okay, so now we have the cute little flowers. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our little adhesive foam. We're gonna peel back one side. Now it's sticky on that side, right? And we're going to gently, slowly lay this down. It will line up perfectly, but you have to go slowly because it will try to lose its shape. Okay, there we go. Whoops, I lost some of my flowers. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, if I had some cornstarch, baby powder, etc., and I used to have some in here, I would add a little bit around the edges to make sure any of the sticky spots wouldn't be sticky, but because I don't, I don't. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna peel this off, peel off the second layer, just like that, because remember, it's double-sided adhesive. I'm gonna take my clear window, and I'm gonna add that right on top so it layers just perfectly. Just like that. Now I've also heard that people say that it helps if you put a dryer sheet on this, like rub a used dryer sheet on the acetate to make it not so staticky. Now there should be enough, yep, there is, there's enough adhesive because the window is smaller because I didn't want you to have to try to line it up. The window is a little smaller than the frame. So now there's still enough adhesive all the way around that I can just lay this right on top. Right on top. And now, dun 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 dun, I have my little shaker. Dun 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 dun. Isn't that cute and isn't that easy? Now, of course, I could have decorated that white. I could have done a lot of fun things. But having that little window be a little smaller is nice because then I don't have to worry about adding more adhesive. I don't have to do anything like that. And don't forget this clear, the window on the back, it does say clear window, so you'll know which one. If I went too fast on this, don't worry, you can watch this video over and over again. Also, all of the samples that I shared are also available on our website. Club members, of course, you get all the discounts, 15% off. Some of you are getting 20% off. Hello, is that awesome or what? Make sure you go check out these products ASAP because if they sell out, it's gonna take a while to get them back in stock. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.